This US startup used artificial intelligence and energy optimization to generate over $20 million in annual revenue. And the crazy part is, you can launch a very similar idea in your own country and make a ton of money from it. And if you stick around until the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build the core tool behind this entire idea, step by step. So, let's break it down. The company is called AutoGrid, and what they've done is truly revolutionary. AutoGrid built an incredibly smart, AI-powered energy management platform. Think of it like a super intelligent brain for the power grid. It works by collecting massive amounts of data from all sorts of sources. We're talking smart meters in homes and businesses, sensors on power lines, and even distributed energy sources like solar panels on rooftops and large-scale battery storage systems. It gathers all this information in real time. Now, here's where the magic of AI comes in. Using advanced machine learning algorithms and big data analytics, AutoGrid's platform can do something amazing. It predicts the future. It predicts when and where electricity demand is going to spike. Imagine it's a scorching hot summer afternoon. The platform knows that millions of people are about to turn on their air conditioners at the same time. By predicting these peaks in demand, it helps utility companies, the ones that supply your electricity, to be proactive instead of reactive. It gives them the insights they need to optimize how they distribute energy across the grid. This might mean tapping into stored battery power during peak hours, or encouraging large industrial users to shift their heavy-duty operations to off-peak times when electricity is cheaper and more abundant. The result? Utility companies can significantly reduce their operational costs, avoid expensive and dirty peaker power plants, and ultimately create a more stable, efficient, and reliable power grid for everyone. And yes, this isn't just a cool tech project. This is a serious business. The financial success of AutoGrid is undeniable. Their business model consistently generates multi-million-dollar revenues year after year. They've proven that solving a critical problem like energy management with smart technology is not only good for the planet but also incredibly profitable. The demand for solutions like this is only growing as the world shifts towards renewable energy and smarter infrastructure. So the opportunity is massive, okay? That's the multi-million-dollar idea. Now, for the part you've been waiting for. How can you build a simplified but still powerful version of this system yourself? You do! I need a massive team of PhDs or hundreds of millions in venture capital to get started. You can build a prototype, a minimum viable product, and start creating value for clients right away. Let's walk through the 4 key steps. Step 1 is all about data collection. You can't optimize what you can't measure. The first thing you need is to get real-time data on electricity usage. You can achieve this by using common electricity sensors like current and voltage sensors. These are relatively inexpensive and widely available. You'll connect these sensors to a microcontroller. A great choice for this is the ESP32, which is powerful, affordable, and has built-in Wi-Fi, which is crucial for the next step. You'll install these sensors at the main electrical panel of a factory, an office building, or even a large home to measure the total power being consumed at any given moment. This is your foundational data layer. Step 2 is sending and storing that data. Once your ESP32 is collecting the data from the sensors, you need to send it somewhere it can be stored and analyzed. You'll use a communication protocol to transmit this data over the internet. 2 popular choices are MQTT, which is lightweight and great for IoT devices, or a standard HTTP protocol. The data is then sent to a central database. For this kind of time series data, where you have measurements taken at regular intervals, specialized databases like InfluxDB or Timescaled are perfect. They are designed to handle this type of information efficiently, making it easy to query and process later on. Now we get to the core of the system, the brain. Step 3, the AI prediction model. This is where you turn raw data into actionable intelligence. You'll use Python, the go-to language for data science and machine learning. With powerful libraries like scikit-learn or TensorFlow, you can build and train a machine learning model. You'll feed this model the historical energy usage data you've collected. The model will learn the patterns of consumption-the daily cycles, the weekly trends, the impact of holidays or specific industrial processes. Over time, it will become incredibly good at predicting future demand. It can also be trained to detect anomalies, like a machine that's suddenly using way more power than it should, which could indicate a malfunction. This predictive capability is the key value you're offering. Finally, step 4 is creating a dashboard. Data and predictions are useless if they aren't presented in a clear and understandable way. You need to create a user-friendly interface where your clients can see what's happening. You can build a simple dashboard using tools like Grafana, which integrates beautifully with databases like Or, if you have web development skills, you can build a custom web app. This dashboard will show live energy usage charts, your AI's predictions for the next few hours or days, and most importantly, concrete suggestions. It could tell a factory manager, hey, your peak demand is predicted for 2 p.m. Try to run your high-energy machinery before 10 a.m. to save 15% on your electricity bill. With this complete system, you have a powerful tool. You can go to factories, large companies, commercial buildings, and offer to help them optimize their energy usage and slash their costs. Your pitch is simple. I can save you money on your electricity bill, and you can prove it with your dashboard. For this service, you charge a recurring subscription fee. As you gather more clients and more data, your AI models become smarter, your predictions get more accurate, and the value you provide increases, allowing you to scale your business. So, there you have it. A proven multi-million-dollar business idea and a 4-step guide to building your own version of the core technology. It's a challenging project, for sure, but the potential is enormous. Now, I know that was a lot to take in. You might be thinking about these specific schematics for the sensors, the exact Python code for the AI model, or how to set up the Grafana dashboard. If you want me to give you all the schematics, the AI code, and a detailed flow for the dashboard, just comment Energy Kit down below in the comments section. If I see enough interest, I will create a full breakdown and share it with you. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I have a whole list of incredible startup ideas just like this one that you can copy and build. And you definitely don't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.